Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a delicious fettuccine with shrimp in a creamy chipotle sauce. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by cleaning and deveining the shrimp. So we're going to remove the shell from the shrimp. So just peel it off, and then after that, with a small knife, we're going to cut along the back of the shrimp. You don't want the cut to be very deep, just deep enough to remove the vein from the back of the shrimp. So remember, first we're going to remove the shell, just peel it off, and then we're going to cut along the back of the shrimp, and then after that we will finally remove the vein from the back of the shrimp. Just keep on doing this until you have all the shrimp peeled and deveined. Rinse the shrimp with cold water and just set them aside for a minute. Now we're going to cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. So here I have plenty of boiling water, and I'll season the water with salt. And into the water, I will also add in 1 garlic clove and 2 small bay leaves. Now we're going to add in the pasta, and we're going to cook it until al dente. My pasta will take about 10 minutes, but make sure to check the back of your package to check for the cooking time. So while the pasta is cooking, now we're going to make the sauce. In a blender, we're going to add in the milk together with the sour cream and the chipotle peppers. And you can add as many chipotle peppers in adobo as you want. I added a whole small can of 105 grams. But you can add 1 or 2 peppers, or you can add maybe 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of the chipotles in adobo. The spiciness of this dish depends on you. Into this, we will also add in 1/4 cube of shrimp bouillon. If you cannot find this kind of cube, just season it with salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to be blending this on high speed until blended. After it's done, now taste the flavor. You can add more chipotle if you think it's necessary. And if you want, you can also add more salt and pepper. But later in the recipe, we're going to be adding some parmesan cheese. So don't go crazy with the salt, because the cheese is already kind of salty. So be careful with the salt. You don't want to add too much salt right now. So after you're happy with the flavor, now it's ready. I'm going to set it aside for a moment. So here I have the shrimp. It's already clean and deveined. And now I'm going to season the shrimp with black pepper to taste, and I will also season them with a pinch of salt. And then I will also add in about 2 tablespoons of the chipotle sauce. Then give them a toss until they are well seasoned, and then just set them aside for a moment. Once the pasta is done, now we're going to drain it, and we will also rinse it with cold water. And then just set it aside for a moment. Now I'm going to shred an onion. If you prefer, you can dice it. But for this recipe, I like the texture of a shredded onion instead. Together with the onion, I will also be shredding 2 garlic cloves, right in the same plate with the onion. Now in a large saucepan, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to cook the shredded onion and garlic for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. After 2 minutes, this is how they look. As you can see, they are more translucent and tender. Now we're going to add in the shrimp, and we'll continue to cook this on high heat for 2 more minutes. And the shrimp is not going to cook in just 2 minutes, but that is fine. We just want to give it a little bit of color, and we also want it to start releasing its flavor into the saucepan. So remember, we will only cook it for 2 minutes on high heat. After 2 minutes, this is how the shrimp looks like. Now we're going to remove it from the saucepan. Just set it aside in another plate. And then right there in the same saucepan, now we're going to add in the chipotle sauce. We will also add in 1 more cup of milk or water. It's up to you. You can use milk or water. Give it a stir, and then we're going to cook this on medium heat until it boils. Once it's boiling, now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese. Give it a stir, and we'll continue to cook this for 2 more minutes. Then after 2 more minutes, we're going to add in the pasta. Give it a toss until the pasta is well combined with the sauce. And then we're going to top this with another 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. And then also add in the shrimp. Toss everything together until well combined. Cover it with a lid and continue to cook on high heat for 2 more minutes or until the shrimp is well cooked and the pasta is well heated through. After 2 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, the pasta looks really nice and creamy. Now the shrimp is really well cooked. Now you can serve it. And this is how it looks. It looks amazing and it tastes even better. And it's perfect for any day of the week or any special occasion. I really recommend it. We're going to top it with more parmesan cheese and fresh cilantro. And we're going to serve it with garlic bread. And that's about it. Enjoy. To bring this and some more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.